back to Cookhouse. Uncle Bud here. Now this is the final of our 3-episode series down here at the beach. And what's going to the beach? We're having a little seafood. Now we're going to have some shrimp. Now you can say, Uncle Bud, we've seen you do shrimp before. We've seen that bacon wrap shrimp. Link right here. We've seen you do the shrimp in the air fryer. That's true. It's mighty tasty. But today we're going to do a barbecue shrimp out on the smoker. And we already got it set as though it goes about 225, so we get more smoke than we do heat. Shrimp cooks really fast and you have to watch, so that's why you keep it nice and slow and low. But as you can see here, we got some 12 to 16 count shrimp. These are white shrimp off the coast of Carolina, fresh. Got them this morning. You see I've peeled them, deveined them, all nice and clean. Now I got 4 of these big dudes per skewer. Push that in there. You gotta make sure it's right in the center. Don't want it to spin too much. When you put them in the skewer, it helps keep the shape, and also it's much easier to handle a quantity of shrimp as opposed to doing each one individually. So, real quick, get spaced out here. Might have to fix that first dude. He's spinning a little too much. Nah, he's all right. So, we got that one. As you can see, I already got 3 more skewers made. We'll set it here. We're going to get some seasoning on here. Now I got some Dizzy Pig Swamp Venom. Good and spicy. You see, we're just going to do a little shake, 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 shake on. Spin everybody around. Give a little shake, 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 shake. So, that's the first step. Everybody's code, we're going to set them on there, but with barbecue shrimp without good sauce. So, set that to the side. We're going to make a quick little sauce here. You can make it at home too, it's real easy. We got some sugar-free barbecue sauce. Oh, that's about 2-3 ounces. I like a little heat and flavor, so I got some Chipotle hot sauce. A little bit of that. I got a little yellow mustard. Just a half a squirt or so. And I have a different style Chipotle hot sauce because I like to blend of the peppers. One being Tabasco peppers and the other being jalapenos. Well, technically, Chipotle is a smoked jalapeno, so they both have jalapenos. But they have different base peppers. One has Tabascos and one has, I think, Serranos in it. Either way. So you can see we got a little sauce. Just going to stir that up. And as we put these on to cook, we're going to brush this on. Now, I like using little nylon brushes like this. They clean well. They don't have to worry about getting little flecks of brush material in your food. Oh, it does smell tasty now. Alright, so we go outside, set these guys on. So you can see we got the smoker here going. We're just going to lay these guys on there crossways so they don't too much by these grates. So we're going to brush some of that sauce on there. What was that? Barbecue, chipotle, a little mustard. I'm going to try to brush off the seasoning on there. Let it dab it on. A little dab will do you. So we're going to watch these. Don't walk away. Shrimp cook too quick. If your shrimp curl up on you into a real tight pattern, they're overcooked. Might as well trash them at that point. Rubbery. That's not mighty tasty. Alright, so it's been a little bit. And as you can see, these shrimp are looking mighty tasty. I flipped a few times between, but still push it down there just firm. And they don't feel rubbery. So we'll take one off here. We'll take this guy. We'll take that off. Close that lid, keep it right warm. See that smoke coming off there, but that's mighty good looking. I don't know if I can wait to get these back inside. Pull that shrimp off. Look at that. Perfectly cooked, moist. Let's see if I can't get close. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Just right. That's fantastic. That's good barbecue shrimp. That's mighty tasty. All right, guys. Appreciate you joining us last few weeks for down here at the beach house. You see, it's cool weather. It's November, a week before Thanksgiving. We're filming this. I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. Spend time with loved ones. Got Christmas right around the bend. Thanks for joining us. Tell your mom and them about us. We'll see you next time.